Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you how I made this vegetable sauce. It's not every time you have to eat stew. So let's prepare lunch together, and I'm going to be preparing my chicken suya vegetable sauce. So for this sauce I'm going to be using some Ugwu leaves, and these are the Ugwu leaves I'm going to be using. I'm just going to pick them out and wash. I also have some meat stock here, and I also have some fresh tomatoes which I'm going to be washing, and I will grate using my mini chopper. This is the chopper I'm going to be using just because I don't want it to be really smooth. I want to be able to see the tomatoes as well, and this is the consistency I'm going for. So I'm just going to add some onion to this, and then we'll start cooking. And now I'm washing my Ugwu leaf after picking it out with some salt. You can see the salt in it. So I'm going to wash this for about 3 to 4 times just to remove the sand before I start slicing the Ugwu leaf. I'm done washing now, so this is how I slice my freshly washed Ugwu leaf. Just separate it into 2, and then I chop little by little. So once this is done, we will then start cooking our chicken suya vegetable sauce for lunch. So guys, this is the chicken suya I'm going to be using, and so I'm just setting it out in a plate, and let's get cooking. I will start up by adding some vegetable oil into my pot, and then I will saute some onion in it. I'll let it cook for a bit, then I will saute some onion in it, and after that I will add my tomato paste, and this is the tomato paste I'm going to be using for my sauce, Tasty Tom tomato paste. So I'm just going to add that into the pot, and I will let it fry for about 2 minutes until it's well fried and the whole sour taste is out of the tomato paste. So now I'll be adding my chopped or grinded fresh tomato that I grinded with my mini chopper / grinder. So I'm just going to stir this, and then I will cover and let it cook for a bit. So I'm adding some frozen pepper just because I didn't add some fresh pepper when I was grinding my fresh tomato. So I'm just going to cover this and let it fry properly. So guys, I have my sauce ready, so I'm just going to stir this. This is what it's looking like now, and so I'm just going to lift a little, just check how it's looking, and and it's not tasting sour. So now I'm going to season using my spices. I have some suya spice, curry, thyme, pepper, and some other spices as well. I will list them in the caption below. And yeah, I'm just going to stir this, and then I will get ready to add my chicken suya now. And this is me adding my chicken suya into the sauce. Once I'm done, I will stir this and cover it to cook for like a minute before introducing the vegetables. My sauce has been cooking for like a minute now, so I'm just going to add my meat stock. This is my meat stock, so I'm just going to add that, and I will stir and cover it again to cook for a minute as well before I add my vegetables. Guys, this is what my sauce is looking like now, and yeah, it's well cooked to my preference. And now I'm just going to stir this and then add my vegetables. So this is me adding my already chopped vegetables. They've been washed already as well, so I will just add that, and then I will cover the pot just to let the steam cook the vegetable a bit before I stir it. So guys, one thing I know is I don't like my vegetables really stuffed. I would love to have a little bit of crunch in my vegetables, so I don't let it overcook. So now this is me stirring the vegetables. Once I stir it, I'll let it cook for about a minute, and then I will bring it. My sauce will be ready. So guys, this is what the sauce looks like. You can eat it with anything: yam, rice, potato, whatever, plantain. But me, I'm taking mine with rice. Yeah, so it's a weekday, so I don't mind. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you in my next one. And also hit the thumbs up button. Thank you.